I am so relaxed right now that I feel like I am doing something wrong. Usually before I'm about to film, I just feel very stressed and chaotic. Hello, beautiful. Today we will be looking at the Huda Beauty, the new Huda Beauty BOMBBROWS MICROSHADE Brow Pencil. We're going to be trying it on and doing a first impression. So if you would like to see, just keep watching. I first want to point out that my background is so bright right now. I kind of like it, so we're just gonna go with it. Anyways, Sephora decided to alert me that there is a new Huda Beauty product, and since so many people seem to really love Huda Beauty, I figured how wrong could we go with a brow pencil. I also realized that I could use a light brown eyebrow pencil instead of a like medium to dark brown pencil because I just want my brows to look lighter. So let's just quickly jump into this video and see if this eyebrow pencil works, if it does a good job, and yeah, let's just hop into it. I'm gonna go in as I always do. I'm just gonna do my regular brow style. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh, I actually really like that. And this color is matching my eyebrows perfectly. Like if anything, I would have gotten dark brown or medium brown, but this light brown matches my brows perfectly. So I'm just filling in all of the sparse areas. I'm gonna have to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil again because I feel like I'm liking this one better. But then again, I haven't tried her pencil in probably a year or two now. I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna draw a line, 2 little strokes underneath the eyebrow. I usually don't do this because it makes it look less natural, but so far, the brow's looking really natural. Whoa. Usually, I have to deal with it looking too harsh, and then I have to go and blend it out. But with this one, I don't even feel like I need to blend it out. I usually don't go above the brow as well because I feel like that makes it look less natural, but no, I'm just kind of going at it because it looks so natural. Wow, I'm very impressed with this. I don't know if it's because of the color I chose that's making it not look so harsh, but regardless, I love it. I absolutely love it. I cannot believe how well it matches my brows. It is like identical to my brow. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go on this side. So far, one of the things I'm loving about this brow pencil is like, I don't feel like I have to be very light-handed when I use it because it's just kind of like blending as I go. So I feel like this would be a really good brow pencil for beginners who struggle to make their brows look natural, or even for people who have a very heavy hand. I usually had to have a very light hand. I have to use very light pressure when I'm doing my brows because if I don't, I will definitely create too much harshness on my eyebrow and make it look not natural, but I am not having that problem with this one. Even with the Anastasia, I still have to be a little gentle. I feel like this is comparable to a powder. I haven't had much experience with using powders, but people always say that powders help to give it more of a softer look, and this look is so soft. I usually don't like to apply too much around this area because this is a sure sign that, you know, I drew my brows on, but I'm having no problem at all whatsoever. I honestly feel like I could just go in and fill in my entire brow because I don't have to worry about it looking harsh. I think I'm good. That's how much I would normally do. Now I'm just going to blend it all out. Wow. Oh my. I have no complaints whatsoever. Did I have? Okay, I think the only complaint I would have is like the little shape here. Every other eyebrow pencil, I could just put the top on and go. This one, I kind of have to twist it around and make sure it's not, which as you can see, it's not a huge con. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the outer portions of my brows and apply some brow gel, and then we'll see what it looks like. Anyone out there who is trying to perfect their makeup game, please just invest in good tools. I think this applies to like so many other things in life, but if you invest in really good tools and obviously in just really good makeup products, it makes the game so much easier. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. I don't think I've ever had my brows look this freaking natural, even when I use powder. I went in so many times with this brow pencil, and usually that's just not something I could do. I usually do a couple of strokes and then I can't go back in because it's just going to make it look too harsh. So that is it for my first impressions of the Huda Beauty brow pencil. I absolutely love it. It's definitely better than my everyday go-to Maybelline brow pencil. I still love this brow pencil so much. What color is this? This is in soft brown. This brown is a little bit deeper, I believe, but this one is just so much easier to use. It's almost like it's a powder in a stick form. Really strange how they did that. Blends so well with my brows. My brows have never looked so natural, especially with how much I went in and traced it, especially this eye. I put so much product on this eye. So that is it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see more content like this in the future. I would love to hear what you have to think about this brow pencil. Are you impressed or are you like, do you think you would consider picking this up? I want to know if I'm just exaggerating right now and they just like look like whatever, but in my head I think they look amazing. Well, I hope to see you all in another video. Bye!